County ma Homa Bay kaneno kaka ne kethni kamano to parona ndalo mana lupo kane wan gi Alex Obado e dho wath ma Kunya waywa rimba kata kamano nyakora moga jwa ngima jonam nyaka koro ng'i ka bende life jacket mirwako ka jonam dhi e lupo nyaka rwaki nikech magi gigo ma geng'o masiche ma kinde ka kinde timre e dho wedhe ne jo Kunya duto, jo Kasiri, jo Lwanda Kotieno, jo Kopiata, jo Nyangoe kwayo ni mondo rwak life jacket. Kata kamano wadhi nyime gi kelo weche manyien ka kweth mar nyithindo ma jiwo alwora makare ne obago chenro mag jiwo jopiny kik wit mwandu mag plastik e nam chumbi. Nyithindogo tiyo kod plastik go e loso mwandu mamoko. Jolony mag weche alwora wacho ni jo Kenya osebedo ka yudo midhiero mag ngimagi ni mar kata rech ma ji chamo kayo tuoche bang' chamo kwiri ma wuok e plastics.
Ningependa kwanza kusema kwamba hizo microplastics zinatoka kule majumbani kwetu. So if you have a way that tunaweza prevent from getting into the ocean, so what the government can do is to ensure the capacity building on the people, because we are using a lot of plastics, and also talking to the manufacturers on reducing the plastics and looking for more biodegradable containers so that we can reduce the amount of plastics that we have.
Imagine educating our younger generations to know that it is important to take care of the environment. It's a wonderful initiative, and these kids are learning from a young age that there's pollution, it's affecting the marine ecosystems. It's a very unique way. We encourage it, and we want to spread our wings to even other areas so that children are able to be part of this initiative. They're able to recognize that environmental protection is a responsibility for every group of people.
We did a beach cleanup at Sabaki Estuary, and we picked up macroplastic because macroplastic is harmful to the ecosystem. Birds can confuse it for food, and sea animals also choke on them. So the sea animals can be fished, and we might end up eating them, which leads to microplastic being found in our blood.